Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Have you decided that Wix isn't good for you? Then, in this video, we will walk you throughout the steps to cancel your Wix subscription, ensuring your account is closed properly, and you avoid any future charges. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So usually guys, when it comes to Wix and subscriptions, sometimes you get tired of it. For example, I'm tired of watching Netflix every week. So what I did, instead of letting them take your money from me, I stopped the subscription. Same thing may happen with Wix. You may have worked on your website for a long time and basically you think there is no point of getting the premium version and getting money cut every single month or every single year, depending on how much money you're paying. Now, for that specific reason, or reason exactly, you have to cancel the subscription. So in this video, I'm going to explain that. Now, as you can see, canceling a Wix Premium or Studio plan. You can cancel your Premium plan or Studio plan at any time. Both plans come with a 14-day money-back period, guaranteed. So, if you cancel after 14 days, the plan remains active until the end of the billing cycle, yearly or monthly. The plan remains active until the expiration dates. After canceling, you can still change your mind anytime before the expiration dates by turning the auto renewal back on. See information payment dates in your billing history page, and you can view the expiration dates from your premium subscription page. Now, this is exactly how you can do it. There's 14 days money back period. So for those who just bought the premium plan and want to stop it, then this is your chance. So you could literally get your money back, and basically you have tried the premium version, you have seen it, you've gone through it, you didn't like it, so get your money back and get out of here. That's the best thing that you can do. And you can literally just invest your money in another platform and see if this platform has the same policy. Now, for those who are not really canceling Wix Premium for specific reasons, here they have a couple of answers for that. For example, for those who cannot optimize their money or basically they cannot manage their money, here they are telling you some kind of suggestions that you can do. So here we go. Try switching to a monthly billing cycle. Switch from a yearly to a monthly billing cycle to make payments more manageable. While the longer term plans offer great savings, with the monthly plan you don't have to commit to a long-term subscription. With that being said, this is very helpful for those who do not want to put $100 once per year, but they want to split it on a month. It's going to be easier for them. So for those, yeah, you could try to choose the monthly cycle. It's going to be better for you. There is also getting help building your website, there is improving your site visibility, there's other things. And yeah, here there's the most important one, which is switching to another plan. So Wix has a range of plans to suit every level of need and budget. With Wix offers your flexibility by allowing you to change your plan at any time. You can switch from one yearly plan to another, including switching to a plan with fewer features. Learn more about choosing plan or studio plan. Now canceling a plan. So you still want to cancel, then we are sorry to see you go. Now there is 5 things. First of all, free site status. If you cancel your site plan, it remains active until the end of the subscription period. After that, your site address reverts to the free Wix URL, which is account name wixsite.com/site address, and Wix ads appear on your site. Renewal date. To make sure that your site never experiences any downtime, your site plan may renew up to 14 days before the original purchase date. Cancel your plan turns off this auto renewal. Refund period. Site plans come with a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you cancel during the first 14 days, your plan ends immediately and you are fully refunded within the next 20 business days. Note, if you want to keep your plan active until the end of the subscription period, you must wait until the first 14 days are over before canceling. Other subscriptions. Canceling your site plan does not cancel any domain, business email, or app subscription that you have in your Wix account. You must cancel those separately. And for deleting site, canceling a site plan does not delete the site that it is assigned to. If you want to delete your site, first cancel your plan and then delete your site normally. So here to cancel your site plan, click here in your Wix account, click the more action icon next to the, then click here, then click cancel plan and click cancel now. And that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, this is the article about how you can cancel a Wix premium plan on your device. So that was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If there is any more question that you want to ask us about, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I will try to cover all of your questions and answer them so you don't have any problems or mistakes. If there is any future topics also that you want us to talk about, please guys make sure to mention them in the comment section. So with that being said, thank you guys all for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.